Hey Dad.
Yes, Ronno?
Can I see fireworks with my friends tonight?
No, you may not.
Why not?
Because you are still grounded. Go to your room now.
I can't believe that I'm grounded on the 4th of July. Wait, I know, I'll jump out of the window to see fireworks with my friends. Ha 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 ha.
Hey Ronno. We are pretty glad to see you again.
Oh, I'm very glad to see you too, guys.
The fireworks are about to begin.
Where have you been?
I went to see the fireworks with my friends tonight.
Ronno, you are not allowed to see fireworks with your friends tonight while you are still grounded, but you didn't listen.
I'm sorry Mom and Dad, I promise I will never ever do it again.
No, your apology is not accepted, so you are grounded for 89 million days.
Go back to your room and go to bed right now.
Fine, I hate you. Wah.